Hi guys, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach on how we're going to make a mirror by using shielding function. So we go to shielding customization function. Okay, so here I have the cabinet that I have decorated on my own. So I click to this wall. So I want to make a mirror with half semicircle. So I use circular and I put it as for 950 and I move the circle to the right side to make it as a half circle. Okay, see on the 3D layout. So I put down as a batch of 50. Okay, we have this spacing. So I would like to install lighting. I'm using Station Library lamp tube and I drag the round lamp to this area. So I have installed the lamp. Alright. So on how we're going to put mirror for the material on our circle here, just go to Material Library, Texture and change it to Glass. And we're going to find mirror. So put down 5 here. Here you can see mirror. You just drag and drop to this area. Oh, sorry. Drag and drop to the 3D layout. Okay, complete. And you have your mirror. You can try to render. Once you render, you will have this result. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.